Hello guys, this is Dr. Salam and welcome back to Red English Channel. In this video, I am going to give you the complete demonstration of how to upgrade your Sync 3 infotainment system. As you know, Ford is equipped with Sync 3 and Fly Audio infotainment system till now. We are expecting an Android system in 2021 models. So in this video I will give you how to update that Sync 3 infotainment system to the latest version. Ford Motor Company regularly gives update to the Sync 3 users. So I will show you the each and every steps on how to do it and what are the points you have to keep when you are doing the process. So don't skip this video till the very end because you may skip some important steps in between. So stay tuned till the end of the video, and if you like this video, please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to follow me on Instagram for the latest updates and notification. So watch the video. First of all, I will show you how to check your current Sync 3 version. Just go to the settings, general settings, go all the way down, and there you can see about sync button. So just click it and you can see that there is a Sync 3 software version number is written over there. So mine is 2.3 as of now. Now I will show you how to update this because Sync 3 is readily available now. For that, you don't need to go to fast or you don't need to wait till the next service. Just go to Google, search Ford. Make sure you are entering the Ford India website. In the right side corner there is a sign in button. You can sign in as a Ford owner. If you don't have an account till now, you can just go a little more down and there is a register button over there. You can just click on it and you can make your own Ford account. Then come back and give your username and password. I have already given it here. Okay, once you are inside your profile, you can see your vehicle details like vehicle identification number and etc. And in the right side you can see the Sync version 3.020.204. actually mine is now 2 point something, so actually Sync version 3 is available for me. So to get the latest version, just go to the My Ford profile on the right side, where you will get a update new version button. Just click on it. There you will get a dialog box which is showing download and install Sync. It's actually two process. First of all, you need to download the software from the Ford website, then you need to install it in your car. Actually Ford will make a customized Sync 3 version for you. So in the next page you will get a license agreement. Go all the way down, you can see I agree button, give I agree. So they are showing we are preparing your update. So they will say it will take around 24 hours, but you don't need to wait till that long. Just go back to the previous menu and come back again to this dialog box where you can see the download is ready. Just come down and you will see start download button. Actually the file size will be around 2.3 GB. Then you need to copy all these files to a flash drive like a pen drive. In this particular stage you need to remember one thing, that pen drive should be in FAT32 file system. So I will show you how to do that. Connect your pen drive to the system, right click on it, and there is a format option. Just click on that. So in that you need to select that FAT32 file system, then format it. So it will take some 2 to 5 seconds. Actually this files in a compressed form, you need to unzip it and you will get around 3 to 4 files. Just copy all the files to the pen drive. Now you can connect that pen drive to the car. Make sure you are connecting the pen drive in the first USB slot. Now you can switch on the vehicle. You don't need to start it, just keep the ignition on. It will take 2-3 seconds. Just wait for it. Yeah, here it is, updating system software. So actually this process will take around 20 to 30 minutes. In between it will restart automatically, you don't need to do anything. At the end it will say you need to start the vehicle. So once you started the vehicle, you can see that okay, system updated. Now I will show you the version number. Go again to the general settings, go all the way down, about sync. It was 2.3 before, now it is 3.0. Now remove the pen drive and connect the pen drive to the PC again, and just below that download button there is a report installation button. So if you report the update, that will be added to your vehicle history. So that is the purpose you need to report it, and you will get the next version when it is available. Click on that report installation. You can see a browse button over here and open your pen drive. You can see there are zip files and an .xml file. Just select that XML file and upload it. And everything is done now, and your Sync 3 is updated successfully. Hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and follow me on Instagram. So till the next video, take care and bye bye.